Okay? So yan, ang topic po natin, ito yung panghuling type ng conics, which is yung ating hyperbola. Okay? Yan po, yung panghuli natin topic. Last time, we discussed about ellipse. Halos pareha siya ng pag-compute nung converting standard form to general form and vice versa. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng dalawa. Objectives: define hyperbola. Determine the standard form of equation of a hyperbola. Third, describe and discuss the different parts of hyperbola. And lastly, graph a hyperbola in a rectangular coordinate system. A hyperbola is a set of all points in a plane such that the difference on the distances of each point of the given set from the two fixed points is constant. The fixed point is what you call the foci. Dalawa dito yung ating focus, that's why tinawag na foci. Let's go with the parts of hyperbola. Una, center or big C. It is the point in the middle of the hyperbola. Parehas pa rin siya ng ating ellipse na meron tayong center sa ating gitna. Center nga, kaya gitna. Okay? Center dun sa pinaka graph natin. Okay? This is where the two axes. So, yung axis po dito, ito po, no? Ito at ito. May tawag sa axis na yan. Ito yung transverse axis and the other one is conjugate axis. Okay? And the asymptotic line of hyperbola intersects. So, yung asymptotic line, ito yung kulay orange, yung mga broken line. Yan po yung asymptote. Pangalawa, vertex. So, that is V. It is the main point of the hyperbola. There are two vertices in this curve. Isa ito at isa po dito. This point is located nearer to the center of the curve than to the foci. Nung sa ellipse, mas malapit yung ating foci compare sa vertex. This time, iba. Mas malapit yung vertex sa center compare sa ating foci. Pangatlo, foci, that is F. These are the points located inside of the hyperbola. Diba, ito yung ating graph. Okay, yung foci po ay nasa loob ng ating graph. The foci are located next to the vertices. Next po natin, fourth, transverse axis. It is the line that joining the two vertices and passing through the center and the foci. Okay, so dito, yung ating transverse axis ay ito. Dito. Ito naman ay vertical yung kanyang transverse axis. Dito naman po horizontal yung kanyang transverse axis. Okay. This is counterpart of the axis in the ellipse, which is yung length niya ay 2 times A. Okay? 2 times A. Ngayon, dito na natin malalaman din kung anong equation yung gagamitin. Pero, dapat alam mo yung posisyon ng ating transverse axis. Kapag vertical po yung ating transverse axis, yung y square over a square minus x square over b square equal to 1 ang equation na gagamitin. Kapag yung transverse axis natin ay horizontal, pag ganito po, no? Horizontal, ibig po sabihin, ang ating equation na gagamitin ay x square over a square minus y square over b square equal to 1. Okay. So, yung ating broken line po dito, ito po yung kanyang asymptote. Negative b over ax, and then the other one is b over ax. Ang positive, isang negative. Same po dito tayo dito sa ating vertical transverse axis. Yung asymptote po natin ay negative a over bx, and the other one, a over bx. Isang positive, isang negative. Let's have number 5. Conjugate axis. This is a shorter line that connects the point b sub 1 and b sub 2. So yung conjugate axis po, kung yung ating transverse line ay dito, no? Kabaliktaran siya ng ating conjugate axis. So itong point na to, pwede natin sabihin ito ay b sub 1. Yung point na to, ito yung ating b sub 2. It is also passing through the center of the hyperbola. So tatamaan niyo po itong gitna natin sa ating graph. Pang-anim, asymptote line. These are the lines or two lines that intersect the center. Kaya po, yung pinakagitna ng intersection ng dalawa ay nasa center and parallel to the curve. Pero hindi sila magmimit, ano? Hindi sila magmimit. Yan po yung ibig sabihin ng asymptote line. They will meet a center point at certain point, pero they will never intersect. 7th, lateral recta. These are the chords that passing through foci. Okay? So, dito, hindi na ni-specify yung lateral recta, no? Pero, yung lateral recta ay tatamaan nyo yung ating foci. Okay. Yan po, yung ating lateral recta. Pang-8, eccentricity. So, that is E equal to C over A of the hyperbola, which is greater than 1. Okay? So, yun po yung formula and the parts ng ating hyperbola. Okay, this time, let's have the general form and standard form of hyperbola. So, general form ng ating hyperbola ay ax squared plus bxy minus cy squared plus dx plus dy plus f equal to 0, where b equal to, or b not is equal to 0, and a not equal to c. So, standard form, dalawa po, no? Pwedeng x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1, provided that c must be greater than a and b. Same sila ng condition dito, na mas malaki yung c sa a at sa b. And then the other one, y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equal to 1. Okay? So, tandaan nyo yung ano, no? Mas malaki yung ating c sa a at sa ating b. Balikan natin yung ating parts. Yung ating a ay from the center hanggang dito sa one of the vertices. Pwedeng dito, pwedeng dito. Yan po yung small a. Yung b na ito, dito sa ating conjugate axis makikita. Okay. From the center to b sub 1 or b sub 2. Pwede yun yung distance niya. And then yung c po natin na maliit, kasi meron tayong c na malaki, no? That is the center. From the center to one of the foci, yun po. Kaya mas malaki yung letter C sa A at sa ating B. And then, from this point hanggang dito, siya po yung letter C. Okay, therefore, yung ating gagamitin na formula ay C square equal to A square plus B square. Unlike yung ating ellipse na mas malaki yung A, kaya yung ating Pythagorean na gagamitin sa ellipse ay A square equal to B square plus C square. Okay. Okay. This time, we're going to convert standard form to general form and vice versa. Okay. Parehas po, no? Parehas po ang pag-convert. Almost the same. Okay? Almost the same ng pag-convert dun sa ellipse sa ating hyperbola. Kapag ganito po yung problem natin, ang ating kukunin ay yung LCM or the least common multiple ng ating denominator. So, LCM. Yung LCM between 4 and 9 is 36. Okay. And then use this LCM para i-multiply dito sa ating equation. So, ito yung magiging 36 times x squared over 4 minus y squared over 9 equal to 36 times 1. So, ang ginawa ko, minultiply ko dito sa left side at sa ating right side. Okay. So, itong 36, i-distribute. So, ito yung magiging 36 x squared over 4 minus 36 y squared over 9 equal to 36. Okay. 36 divided by 4, that's 9. So, ito yung magiging 9x squared minus 36 divided by 9, that's 4, 4y squared. And then, kung mapapansin nyo po, no, sa ating general form, yung pinaka-right side natin ay 0. So, ibig sabihin, we're going to transpose 36 sa may left side ng ating equation. Ito'y positive. Kapag transpose, magiging negative. Kaya magiging negative 36 equal to 0. At ito na po yung kanyang general form. The number 2 example.
X minus 4 squared over 9 minus y plus 5 squared over 16 is equal to 1.
Okay, thank you. Kung paano nyo po sinolve yung kaninang equation, the same process. Okay. So, first step, get the LCM of this equation. Okay. LCM is equal to, that's correct, that is 144. Okay. Ang LCM po natin ay 144. Okay. After that, we're going to use this LCM para i-multiply dito sa ating equation. So, ito yung magiging 144 times x minus 4 squared over 9 minus y plus 5 squared. Okay, ilagay na natin yung 144 dito over 16 equal to 144 times 1. Okay, 144 divided by 9, that is 16. So ito is 16x minus 4 squared minus 144 divided by 16, that's 9. So 9 times y plus 5 squared equal to 144. So we need to expand itong dalawa. Remember yung ating technique, ano? Let's review yung technique natin. Okay, para expand ito, all you need to do is that square the first term. Okay, and that is x squared. So yung second term natin, kung anong sign po dito, that would be the sign ng ating second term. Okay, so multiply the first term and the second term sa ating 2. So x times 4 times 2, that is 8x. And then, last term natin, square yung last term. So 4 square is 16. Okay, so yung expanded form nito, ito po yun. Okay, let's have another one. Y plus 5 square, same process. Square the first term, that's y square. Okay, multiply y, the first term, the second term, sa 2. So y times 5 times 2, that is plus 10y. At saka yung last term, square the last term. 25 square is, 5 square is 25. Okay. So, Yung expanded form nito, ilagay na po natin dito. So ito ay 16 times x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 9 times y squared plus 10y plus 25 equal to 144. Okay. Ang next po natin gagawin ay i-distribute itong 16 dito sa ating trinomial at yung ating 9. Okay. So ito yung magiging so 16 times x squared ay 16x squared. 16 times negative 8x, that is 100, this is negative 128x. Next, 16 times 16, that is 256. Okay? Next po natin, ito naman, negative 9 times y squared is negative 9y squared. Negative 9 times 10y, that is negative 90y. Negative 9 times 25, that is negative 225. Okay? Equal to 144. Okay. So let's review yung ating general form, ano? Here in our general form, since yung ating b ay 0, parang wala na rin to, ano? Parang wala na rin siya. So according dun sa arrangement, quadratic first ang ating first two terms. So y squared, x squared muna. Followed by x and y constant equal to 0. Yun yung gagawin natin dito sa ating problem. Okay? Arrange na po natin siya. So 16 x squared followed by negative 9y squared, and then x na po tayo, negative 128x, and then yung y natin, negative 90y, and then yung constant, we have to combine everything, ano? So ito, 144, transpose po natin siya doon. So ito yung magiging negative, ano? Negative 144. Okay. 256 minus 225 minus 144, ang sagot po dun ay negative 113. Kaya, yung ating general form ng ating problem ay ito. Okay? Nakuha po ba ito? Nakuha po?
Yes po.
Okay. Okay. So this time, let's move to our number 3 problem. Okay, can you please read problem number 3?
12x squared minus 25y squared equals 300.
Okay, thank you, Ulasa. Okay, so this time, from general form to standard form. Let's review first yung ating standard form. Dito, yung ating standard form, yung ating right side, ano? Yung ating right side ay equal sa 1. So, same yung ating gagawin dito. Para maging equal sa 1, we're going to divide yung constant sa sarili niya. So, ito ay 12x squared minus 25y squared equal to 300. So, divide natin ito sa sarili niya. Siyempre, kung mag-divide tayo dito sa right side, we're going to use that para i-divide dun sa ating left side. Okay, when you press 12 over 300 on your calculator, siya po ay magiging 1 over 25. So ito ay x squared over 25. Next, when you press 25 over 300 on your calculator, siya po ay magiging 1 over 12. Okay? Siya po ay 1 over 12. So ito ay magiging y squared over 12 equal to 1. And that's it. Here's the standard form of our equation. Next equation. Okay, from general form again, transform that to standard form.
9y squared minus 16x squared minus 18y plus 64x minus 199 equals 0.
Okay. So this time, ang una natin gagawin ay i-arrange natin itong ating equation according sa kanyang variable. So unahin muna natin yung y followed by x. So ito ay 9y squared minus 18y, tapos x na tayo, negative 16x squared plus 64x, and then yung constant natin, transpose na po natin sa kabila. Negative po siya dito, that's why siya yung magiging positive 199. Okay. And then ang gagawin po natin dito ay i-factor out natin yung numerical coefficient natin sa kanyang terms. So ito yung magiging 9 times y squared minus 2y plus, okay, later on, we're going to complete the square. Okay? So ito ay negative 16 times x squared minus 4x plus, okay, bigyan natin ng space, and then equal sa 199. Okay, this time, we're going to complete the square. Completing the square. Para makomplete po yung square, kunin po natin yung middle term, yung numerical coefficient, So get that, divided by 2, then square it. Okay, so 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 1 square is 1. Dito naman 4, so ito yung 4 divided by 2 square, that is 2. 2 square is 4. So ito, magdadagdag tayo ng isa. Dito naman, magdadagdag tayo ng 4. Okay, remember that we add here, pati dito sa kabila. So, ibig sabihin, since ito yung equation, kung ano po yung ginawa natin sa kabila, yun din po yung ating gagawin sa ating right side. Okay, so ito ay plus 9 times 1 minus 16 times 4. Okay, so 9 times 1, ito po yun. And then negative to, Negative 16 times 4. Okay, I hope that's clear. Okay, so ito yung magiging 9 times y minus 1 square minus 16 times y minus 2 square equal to, can you please press on your calculator, then type here your answer. 199 plus 9 times 1 minus 16 times 4. Okay, that's correct. Correct answer is 144. Okay. After po natin na i-simplify ito, okay, ang gagawin naman po natin, i-divide natin sa 144 para maging 1 yung ating right side. Divided by 144. Ito, magiging 1. Okay, so 9 divided by 144, when you press that to your calculator, that is 1 over 16. So ito yung magiging y minus 1 square over 16 minus, dito naman, 16 divided by 144, that is 1 over 9. So ito yung magiging x minus 2 square over 9. And ito na po yung ating standard form. I-write lang po natin dito, y minus 1 square over 16 minus x minus 2 square over 9 equal to 1. Yan na po yung ating standard form. Next po natin, so the equation is 9x squared minus 4y squared plus 90x plus 189 equal to 0. Again, arrange first yung mga magkakaparehong term. So, una dito yung x. So, ito ay 9x squared plus 90x. Okay, followed by y, negative 40. Negative 4y square. Okay, wala na kasi wala ng y, ano? And then, etong ating constant transpose. Ito ay positive, ano? Magiging negative 189 na po siya. Okay? After po neto, ay kailangan i-factor out itong x. Ito ay 9 times x square plus 10x. Okay? And then, meron tayong space para sa ating completing this square, and then copy yung negative 4y square equal to negative 189. Okay. Next, this time, we complete this square. Okay, dito 10. 10 divided by 2, that's 5. 5 square is 25. So, nagdagdag tayo dito sa left side. Magdadagdag tayo dito sa ating right side. So, 9 times 25, kaya 9 times 25 po dito. Okay, so ito ay 9 times x plus 5 square minus 4y square. Okay, can you please press on your calculator? Negative 189 plus 9 times 25. Okay, very good. That is 36. 36. After getting or after simplifying ito, ang gagawin naman po natin ay i-divide natin sa 36 para maging 1 ito. So, divided by 36. Kasama dito, 36. When you press 9 over 36, that is 1 over 4. So, ito yung magiging x plus 5 square over 4. And then, when you press 9 over 36, that is 1 over 9. So, ito yung magiging y square over 9 equal to 1. And that's it. Okay, kopyahin na lang po natin siya dito. X plus 5 square over 4 minus y square over 9 equal to 1. That's it. Ito na po yung sagot sa ating katanungan. Let's move on to I think this will be the last equation.
3x squared minus y squared plus 6x minus 6y minus 54 equals 0.
Okay. So kapag binigyan ko po kayo ng ganitong problem, arrange lang po according sa kanyang variable. So dito, first yung ating x. So 3x squared. Okay. Tapos, plus 6x followed by y. Negative y square minus 6y equal to, so transpose na po natin yung constant. This is negative, magiging 54 na lang po siya. And factoring that this is 3x times x squared plus 2x plus divide blank. Okay, so ito yung minus y squared plus 6y plus divide blank equal to 54. After po neto, dito na tayo mag-complete ng square. So 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 1 square is 1. Ito yung 1. So ito yung magiging plus 3 times 1. Dito naman, 6 to, no? 6 divided by 2, that's 3. 3 square is 9. So ito yung times 9. So ito yung minus 9 po sa other side. Minus because actually 1 times 9. It is negative 1 times 9. That's why negative 9 po yung sagot dito or yung sinulat ko. Okay? So ito ay 3 times x plus 1 square minus y plus 3 square equal to, can you please press on your calculator? 54 plus 3 times 1 minus 9. Okay, very good. That is 48. Okay. 48. 48. After po nyan, para maging 1 po yung ating right side, we have to divide both sides with 48. Pati ito, 48. Pati ito, 48. Okay? When you press 3 over 48 on your calculator, it will give you 1 over 16. So ito yung magiging x plus 1 square over 16. Okay? Ito, copyhin lang, copyhin lang. So, y plus 3 square over 48 equal to 1. Okay? So, i-rewrite na lang po natin siya dito. X plus 1 square over 16 minus 3 plus y plus 3 square over 48 equal to 1. At ito na po yung ating standard form. Let's proceed now sa pagkuha naman ng equation. This time kasi kukunin natin yung equation, find the equation of the hyperbola which satisfies the given condition.